The secret of discipline. What if I told you there's one quality that matters more than talent, intelligence, or even luck? It's not something you're born with. It doesn't come from your family, your education, or your circumstances. It's discipline. Every successful person you've ever admired has one thing in common. Behind every achievement, every victory, and every dream fulfilled are thousands of ordinary moments when they chose discipline over excuses. Discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. Anyone can work hard when they're motivated. Anyone can chase a dream when everything is going well. But real discipline begins on the difficult days. The days when you're tired, distracted, discouraged, or ready to give up. Those are the moments that shape your future. Think about it. A single workout won't make you fit. Reading one book won't make you wise. Saving money once won't make you wealthy. But repeating those actions day after day, month after month, year after year, that's how extraordinary lives are built. The truth is, success is rarely the result of one big decision. It's usually the result of hundreds of small decisions that nobody else notices. Choosing to wake up instead of hitting the snooze button. Choosing to study instead of scrolling through social media. Choosing to save instead of spending. Choosing to keep going when quitting feels easier. These choices may seem small today, but they become the foundation of the person you'll be tomorrow. Many people spend their lives waiting for motivation. They say, "I'll start when I feel ready." But discipline teaches a different lesson. Action comes first. Motivation follows. The more promises you keep to yourself, the more confidence you build. And the more disciplined you become, the less you depend on emotions to make decisions. Remember, discipline isn't a punishment. It's freedom. The freedom to control your habits instead of letting your habits control you. The freedom to build the future you truly want instead of accepting the future that happens by chance. Years from now, people may look at your success and call you lucky. They'll never see the early mornings, the late nights, the sacrifices, or the countless times you kept going when nobody was watching. Because that's the secret. Success isn't created in the spotlight. It's built in the quiet moments when you choose discipline over comfort, consistency over excuses, and long-term purpose over short-term pleasure. Master your discipline, and the life you've always dreamed of will no longer be a dream. It will become your reality.